China's economic transformation has been nothing short of remarkable. From a largely agrarian society just a few decades ago, China has emerged as a global manufacturing powerhouse. This rapid ascent has reshaped global industries and positioned China as a dominant force in the world economy. China's manufacturing prowess is evident in its vast factories, skilled workforce, and relentless pursuit of innovation. The country's commitment to industrial growth has propelled it to the forefront of global manufacturing, surpassing traditional powerhouses like the United States and Europe. This transformation has been driven by a combination of factors, including government policies, strategic investments, and access to a vast domestic market. China's rise as a manufacturing giant has significant implications for the global economy, impacting trade patterns, supply chains, and the balance of economic power. Today, China's manufacturing capacity stands as a testament to its economic might. The country's output now rivals that of the United States and Europe combined, a testament to its unparalleled manufacturing prowess. This dominance is reflected in various sectors, from basic goods to high-tech products. In 2023 alone, China accounted for a staggering 29% of global manufacturing output. To put this into perspective, the United States, once the undisputed leader in manufacturing, contributed about 17%. This shift in manufacturing dominance underscores China's growing influence on the global stage. China's manufacturing sector has become an integral part of its economy, accounting for a significant portion of its GDP and employment. This reliance on manufacturing has positioned China as a key player in global trade, with its products reaching every corner of the world. China's manufacturing dominance extends across a wide range of industries, solidifying its position as a global leader in key sectors. From raw materials to finished goods, China's manufacturing prowess is evident in its substantial market share across various product categories. Take aluminum, for example. China's output in this sector alone is enough to match the combined production of the United States and Europe. In 2024, China churned out a staggering 43 million metric tons of primary aluminum, capturing a dominant 60% of global output. Similarly, China has established a near monopoly in the production of solar panels. With an estimated 80% control over the global supply chain, China dictates the pace of growth in this crucial renewable energy sector. This dominance is a testament to China's strategic investments and aggressive push towards clean energy technologies. Beyond aluminum and solar panels, China's manufacturing prowess extends to electric vehicles and lithium-ion batteries, essential components of the burgeoning electric mobility revolution. China's dominance in these sectors has significant implications for the future of transportation and energy storage. China's remarkable manufacturing output has led to a phenomenon known as overcapacity. This happens when a country's production capacity, surpasses its domestic demand, leading to a surplus of goods. While overcapacity can be a natural consequence of economic growth, it has really become a defining characteristic of China's manufacturing landscape. China's overcapacity is especially pronounced in sectors like steel, aluminum, and solar panels. This surplus production has resulted in increased exports, often at lower prices, impacting global markets and, honestly, creating trade tensions. This situation is further exacerbated by government subsidies and other forms of state support, which have contributed to the rapid expansion of China's manufacturing capacity. While these policies have fueled China's economic growth, they've also raised concerns about unfair competition and market distortions. Overcapacity has become a major point of contention in global trade negotiations, with countries accusing China of dumping subsidized goods on the international market. This has led to calls for greater transparency and a level playing field in global trade. China's remarkable manufacturing ascent is not solely a product of market forces. The Chinese government has played a pivotal role in shaping the country's industrial landscape, providing substantial support to domestic industries through a combination of policies and investments. Subsidies, tax breaks, and other forms of financial assistance have been instrumental in fostering the growth of key sectors, enabling Chinese companies to gain a competitive edge in global markets. These measures have often been criticized by other countries as unfair trade practices, creating an uneven playing field in international competition. Beyond direct financial support, the Chinese government has also invested heavily in infrastructure projects, research and development, and workforce training. These strategic investments have created a conducive environment for manufacturing growth, attracting foreign investment and fostering technological innovation. While government support has undoubtedly contributed to China's manufacturing success, it has also raised concerns about sustainability and long-term economic stability. Critics argue that excessive government intervention can lead to market distortions and hinder the development of a truly competitive and innovative economy. China's emergence as a manufacturing superpower has not gone unnoticed. The sheer scale of China's manufacturing output and its impact on global markets have prompted responses from countries seeking to protect their own industries and address perceived trade imbalances. The United States, in particular, has implemented tariffs on a range of Chinese goods, aiming to curb imports and encourage domestic production. These trade actions have sparked a trade war between the two economic giants, creating uncertainty in global markets and impacting businesses worldwide. Beyond tariffs, countries are increasingly focused on strengthening their own manufacturing capabilities and reducing their reliance on Chinese imports. This has led to a renewed emphasis on domestic manufacturing, investment in advanced technologies, and efforts to diversify supply chains. The global response to China's manufacturing rise reflects a broader shift in the global economic order. As China's economic might grows, countries are re-evaluating their trade policies and seeking to secure their economic interests in a rapidly changing landscape. China's manufacturing dominance is not a fleeting trend. The country's vast manufacturing capacity, skilled workforce, and government support suggest that China will remain a dominant force in global manufacturing for the foreseeable future. This has pretty profound implications for the global economy. China's continued growth as a manufacturing powerhouse will continue to shape global trade patterns, influence commodity prices, and drive innovation in various sectors. However, challenges lie ahead. Rising labor costs, environmental concerns, and the growing sophistication of manufacturing in other countries could pose challenges to China's continued dominance. The future of manufacturing will likely involve a more competitive landscape, with countries vying for a share of the global market.